In this problem, we will calculate this integral by parts. So the first thing we will do is to know which one of the two functions is u and which one is v. For that, we must know the function that we will derivate and the other one. So here, we know that exponential x prime is just exponential x, and 3x plus 1 prime is 3. And from here, we would like to get rid of 3x plus 1, because if we get rid of 3x plus 1, the integral will be easy. We will have just 3 exponential x, and the integral will be just exponential x of exponential x is exponential x. So from here, since we would like to get rid of 3x plus 1, our u is 3x plus 1, which will be derivated here. So here it's our u. And of course, the other one will be dv. Now, we know our u and our v. We write u equals 3x plus 1. And of course, dv equals exponential x dx. And we evaluate the other terms, du. We know that if we have u equals f of x, du is equal to f prime of x dx. So here we apply this here. If is 3x plus 1, if prime of x is just 3x plus 1 prime is 3 dx. And here we have dv is exponential x dx, and we already know the antiderivative of exponential x. V is just exponential x. Now, back to our formula, we write our integral will be integral from 0 to 1 of u dv, which is the evaluation of uv between 0 and 1 minus integral from 0 to 1 of v du. And now we have it's equal to here our u is 3x plus 1 and our v is exponential x minus the integral from 0 to 1 here v du. V is exponential x and du is 3 times 3 dx. And it's almost done. Now I will just continue here. This we will calculate it by plugging the two values, since we have the formula here, so we just plug 1 and 0. So we have this is equal to, if we plug 1, we will have 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's 4. Exponential of 1, which is e, minus, we plug 0. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And exponential of 0 is 1. So it's 1 times exponential of 0, which is 1. So it's 1. Yeah? Minus, and here we have 3, which is a constant. It will get out of the integral. So we have 3 integral from 0 to 1 of exponential x dx. And here we know that exponential x, the antiderivative of exponential x is just exponential x. We continue here. So 4e minus 1 minus 3, and here the antiderivative is just exponential x from 0 to 1. And now I continue here. And this is equal to our integral. This is equal to 4e minus 1 minus, and here again the same. I will plug 1 here and 0 here. But be careful, here 3 and brackets here like this. So exponential of 1, it's e minus exponential of 0. We plug 1 in x and 0 and minus the evaluation. So 1. And the final step is just to calculate. So it's 4e minus 1 minus 3e plus 3. Minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3. 4e minus 3e is e, and minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. So the value of our integral is e plus 2. We have done our integral by parts. And this concludes this problem.